Welcome everybody. Hi, my name is George Gillis Jr. I'm the owner of Last Chance Marketing. And what I wanted to talk to you folks today in this video is that we're going to talk about how to make money online. Now, we make money online in several different ways, hundreds of different ways. Niche marketing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, and so on. But have you ever heard of anyone saying about the money is in the list? If you got a business, you want to be able to capture those leads that join your business so that you can build relationship with them and pour value and content into them at a later date. Now, the list is in the money. The money is in the list, or vice versa. Yes. But what you want to do is that you want to build your email list while you making this money from your website. Whatever business or any business you may be in, you need leads so that you can follow up with those leads at a later date. You build a list of 1,000 to 2,000 to 10,000. Then you can take one email and send out a promotion with that one email with an affiliate link or a business opportunity link, and you're pretty much 99% guaranteed you're going to make money. I mean, email leads today is a little over $1. It's worth about $1 and something a piece. So if you have 1,000 and everyone clicks on the email and 1,000 leads, you made $1,000 just from one email. Now, the money is in the list, and you need to build your email list. A lot of gurus online are telling us that, that stuff is unnecessary, send them to the website, this and all and all. But you don't want to send people directly to a website. You know, you want to be able to send folks some value by giving away something. So today, what I'm doing on this video right now is I'm giving away a free ebook to Autoresponder Profit System. You download this ebook and you use it. Everything in how to set up your business page, join our business, with us or whatever you have to do, any business. But I'm going to give you this. I'm also going to send a link to you with an opportunity that would help you make from $1,000 per day online. But I'm going to give you this free ebook just for joining my list. Now, what you have to do is that you're going to be sent to an opt-in page, and you're going to see everything, my picture and the whole works up there. And what you're going to do is you're going to just opt in with name and email, and I'm going to send you a link to download this free ebook. And all you have to do is just open it, read it, follow the instructions in it, and it'll show you how you can create landing pages, use your autoresponder, to send messages, to follow up, to content and value. And that's what we want to do at Last Chance Marketing. We want to be able to help someone else build their business by sending them to leads and opportunities on the internet. We love you. You want it, you can get it for free. So all you got to do is download, put your name in and email in below somewhere on this page or wherever you see this video, and then opt into the email list, and you'll get the automatic download of the ebook on your first email. Soon as you opt in, you will get an email from me that'll tell you exactly what to do. You click on the link and open the email and download your ebook. Now, there's other opportunities in there that you can join with us on our team, how we making money working from home. The pandemic is outrageous and crazy out here, and we're not able to do and work a whole lot. So we're taking our time while we're at home to work from home and do what we need to do. I mean, best of luck to everyone, but please stay safe. Cover up, let's mask up, and let's pray and ask God to remove this pandemic. Now, I'm giving you some free content today. There'll be many, many, many more videos. So I'd like for you to like and subscribe to this video and share it on the internet and leave your comments, because I check the comments to see how many people is actually viewing my website or either viewing my videos. So if you do that for me, I would sure be greatly appreciated. We thank you very much, and you have a blessed day. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, bing, so that you can get more videos from me, that when you do your searches and looking for some stuff online, we show you how to make money from home. Welcome to Last Chance Marketing, and we appreciate you coming to this video. We love you. May the Lord be with you. Have a great day.